Right, warlord traits, which are a lot better than the ones in the Orc Codex. Fighting in challenges, Saga of the Wolfkin, which is completely ridiculous. That's a car going past. And of course, is what our Deathwolf has. Lots of buffs for cavalry. Monster Hunter. Saga of the Bear is not great. Feel no pain for the warlord and his units. Outflank and stealth. Saga of Majesty. The Warlord and all friendly units of the Space Wolves faction within 12 inches of him must re-roll failed roll checks and penny tests. Presumably, so they don't run away with their tails between their legs. Oh, God. Oh, I just thought of something. Ah, yes. He's on his chariot. Presumably, so he can horse around. Oh, you see what I did there? You thought I was going to go for something else. Oh dear. How very silly. Yeah! Jesus! What do you think? Stop looking at me like that. Go on. Shoo! 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 Anyway. Coming back. What else have we got? Range weapons. They do include pretty much all the regular ones. There's another car. Hellfrost. Right, what does Hellfrost do? Yes, it means that you take a wound, you got to make a test or die. And the big guns, what do they do? Ooh. Blah, blah, blah. Lance! Strength 8, AP 1, Lance. Bloody Nora. That's a bit naughty. What else have we got? Everything else is pretty standard. Melee. From Rissian Great Axe, it's a mastercrafted dreadnought close combat weapon. Fair enough. Frostblades, what do they do? +1 power weapons. Fair enough. Runic, it's force, basically. Oh, it's got ward, which does something I don't know. Wolf claws. Oh, they get shred. And +1 strength. But don't reroll to wound? No. They're just slightly different. Fair enough. There's another car. Belt of Russ is a Iron Halo. Digital weapons, healing balms. Oh, feel no pain, fair enough. Storm shield, Thunderwolf mount. Yes. These bonuses are already included in the profiles of models that have a Thunderwolf mount as part of their standard war gear. And various other things. Wolf standard is just the same as the normal standard. Semite plating, blah blah blah. Locator beacon, yes. Siege shield, blah 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 blah. What does a blizzard shield do? Ah, there it is. Ooh, 3+ invulnerable against all hits that strike the Dreadnought's front armour. And it's AP2. And the shield special rule, which I don't know what does. Ah, now some relics. What do these things do? Armour of Russ. Okay, that's different. I'm not sure if I take it when you could just have runic armour and you've already got your Belt of Russ. Bite of Fenris. It's a gun. What does it do? It shoots flame-tide bolts. Hellfrost. Or... oh, that's for the... oh, you've got Hellwilter bolts. Or flame-tide bolts. So you've got ignore, cover, or Hellfrost. Fair enough. What is it? It's a bolt gun. Or sort of. Whatever. Black Death. +3 attacks. When he's in combat with more enemies than friendly. So it's like Rage on steroids. Helm. Reroll to hit. Shoot, ignore cover. Fang Sword of the Ice Wolf. That's kind of boring. Let's take a Frost Axe. or a frost weapon. Wolfenstone, Furious Charge, and you get Rage, whatever. They're kind of a bit boring. They're not quite as good as the Orc ones, I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe they do stuff that I have not worked out. Whatever. Psychic powers. Da, 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 da. Has he got the jaws of the world wolf? Here we go. Monstrous creatures automatically pass this test. But it does pretty much what it does before. Do 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 do. Whatever. Zappy things. Things of zappy. Attachment, what do you get? Reroll your warlord trait, and you might get outflank with your units. And you got some objectives, which are yeah, pretty space wolfy. Kill big stuff, kill characters, kill things. Yeah. Yeah, and more challenges. What did you expect exactly? And you got this bullshit again. Just... Oh, I wonder what my Hellfrost cannon that I've only just bought does. Oh, I don't... Oh, just... And it makes me angry. Perhaps even rabid. So, hang on. Oh dear. And I've just realised that it's on autofocus and I can hear the motor. Oh dear. That makes me want to go and lie in my bed and sleep like a dog. So, what did I think about the Space Wolves book? It's alright. Not a whole lot has changed. There's some nice little additions. Obviously the fluff. Oh well. So, what did you think, Nagraz? How much is that dog in? No. You little ass. You owe me. Okay, what about currently unnamed Space Marine Salamander Captain? Well, those lovely space wolves, they're such savages, don't you know? Oh, they make me go all tingly. Yes, well, you can go away, and you can earn your monies back. Okay, Vinyl, what do you reckon? Vinyl, the dogmen. Fuck! The dogmen. They won't hurt you. They're not real, and neither are you.
I'll keep the fencery. Oh, better come out to me. Well, she's coming and gone. Come out of the garden, baby. You'll catch your death in the fall. Young girl, they call them the diamond dogs.
Oh, come on! I just. Oh, you.
Call them the diamond dogs.
Ooh, how? What have we got? 1, 2, 3, da, 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 da. Ooh, I'll be going down the pub tonight. Oh dear. Good times, good times. The next week was agony.